So he's going to fight Šavkat Rachmonov next, unless I got blinders on and the UFC is going to go in some opposite direction. It's going to be the undefeated, the finishing machine, the deserving, the worthy Šavkat Rachmonov. He's all the rage with the fan base, as you know. You know, he brought me chocolates from Kazakhstan. He's a super humble, genuine guy, and that sort of transcends the language barrier. That says nothing of how great a fighter and potential champion he could be. I think before mid-November for Belal is just way too idealistic and ambitious. But beyond that, I felt like maybe, depending on the Leon Belal result, you could do Šavkat Rachmonov against Ian Machado Gary. I think that fight is probably on hold. I think Ian Machado Gary potentially waiting in the wings. If Sean Brady is able to get past Gilbert Durinho Burns, his name could be called in the not-too-distant future. The Belal result was huge for Sean Brady, the man who took his O. I think Jack Della Maddalena is going to factor prominently in this equation. He's on the mend right now. It's very exciting. But one thing that I do bring as far as Muhammad insight is that he's going to defend the belt. And, knock on wood, he's been pretty fudging durable, as he would say. And he wants to be challenged and challenge himself against all of these guys. You know, he's not going to be bouncing divisions. He's ready to go and defend. And hopefully that can happen as soon as Madison Square Garden in mid-November.